everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to learn how you can create your Qwen account. So let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. Here I'm going to use Chrome browser. After opening your browser, what you're going to do is go to the search bar right here and start typing chat.qwenlm.ai. After you have wrote that, click on the enter on your keyboard. And then this will lead you to the official website of Qwen. And here you will be able to see two buttons right here, login and sign up. Click on sign up in order to create your account. And now you will be able to see the sign up page. Now enter your full name, your email, and create your password in order to sign up for Qwen. And then what you're going to do is click on this I agree with terms of service and privacy policy. After doing so, now click on create account. And then a verification will be required. So do as the instruction said. Here, the instruction has said me to slide it. And like this, the verification will be done. And now a verification will be sent to your email. So what you're going to do is open new tab and go to your email. Here you can see Qwen has sent me the verification email. Click on it. And here you can see, in order to activate my account, I have to click on this button, activate my account. Click on it. And there you go. You have successfully created yourself a Qwen account. Very easy and simple, right? If you guys find this video helpful, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.